The first small choice you make has the potential to dictate the outcome of your plan. Making important choice, taking big decision, or facing a life-changing task always seems intimidating till you decide to tackle the undertaking in smaller bits. The first choice you make, however small, dictates the final outcome. The job no longer seems formidable. In fact, it starts looking pretty manageable now. You started and got into the swing. The energy is swelling around you. You got a positive stroke with your first achievement, however small. For instance, if you started with just a 15-minute walk, you already feel good as you invested that time and energy towards the larger goals. You have made an investment, and henceforth your choices will be made with that knowledge at the back of your mind. You have a sense of responsibility towards this investment point now. When you try and take a bite of chocolate, you will have those 15 minutes to answer to it. When you decide your meal, your goal of a healthy lifestyle will never be far from your mind, and will end up dictating your choice. Once you start eating healthy, that is another investment you make, because you sacrificed some things in order to make your healthy choice. To make that sacrifice worthwhile, you will be automatically driven to several other choices that will all add up towards achieving your ultimate goal. What happened here? Well, you made a good choice to begin with, and one good choice leads to another, and yet another building up towards achieving the plan you set out with. So, if you have a goal and a plan, stick to it, and follow it step by step. Soon you will see it falling into place on its own, and the same choices that seemed heartbreakingly tough initially will now be easy, stepping stones towards now very achievable goal. We have all heard stories of how one act of kindness has a ripple effect and the potential to change the world. If positivity can spread so easily, does it not follow that negativity has the same potential? Just as a good choice leads to several good choices, a bad choice can carry us along on a whirlpool of disaster. Is not the choice then clear? Any choice that we make carries the power of all our future choice, and the direction our lives will take. That first choice can navigate our journey towards the goals that we consider important. One positive choice, just a baby step, not even a giant leap, can shift course of our lives. One small shift in attitude, reframing one negative into a positive, or training your mind to one small discipline forever shut to us. One small child we choose to help can improve things for a generation to come. Understanding the ease of a positive choice and its huge repercussion that will help us lead life with a purpose that will automatically align with our passions. Be the change and watch yourself change in the process.